In this video, I'm going to show you the basics of Conquest and how to get started. So this is the Conquest map, and all the dots are various planets. Each planet has its own stats. We'll go over that in a second. Planets with the little icons mean that someone is already on the planet. Get started. Connect your wallet to the Gnosis network, sign the transactions, and make sure you have some xDai for gas. In this contact form, fill out your contact details in order for other players to get in contact with you so you can create some alliances. This will be an important part of the game as it's very hard to take over planets all by yourself. Now it's time to find a planet. So here I just clicked on a random planet and you can see the different menus on the side. This planet costs 3.3 xDai or play tokens, and essentially what you want to do is you want to find the most strategic planet depending on what you want to do as a strategy. So taking over other people's planets, so if you attack them successfully, you can actually take their stakes. So you can make money playing this game and being very strategic about it, right? So the current planet here is close to these other two planets. So I could try to take it over, and let's just take over this one for now. So now I have staked on the planet, so I own this planet here. My spaceships start generating, so after a certain amount of time, I'm going to have enough spaceships to start either conquering other planets or attacking other planets, and we'll get into that right away. So now I've successfully staked on the planet, so I have staked 1.9 xDai, and I am automatically starting to generate spaceships. So now it's time to begin our conquest. I've set up some attacks already off screen. You can see my spaceships heading to the planets, but I will show you how to do it all. So here I am showing that I want to take over this one planet where I'm already sending some spaceships, but if I want to send more to back up my current spaceships, so I'm picking the amount of spaceships I want to send there and clicking confirm and accepting the transaction. Now I will show you what a failed attack looks like here in the circled red ring, but I want to show you guys what it all looks like. While this is resolving, we're going to look for more planets to conquer and maybe create a successful attack. So this planet over here looks like it has some juicy stats, so I'm going to take over this one. Now it's better to stake directly on the planet rather than sending spaceships to conquer it, as sending spaceships to an unconquered planet depletes your spaceships over time. So now it's time to resolve the conflict. As you saw in the red flashing circle is where my attack pretty much failed, so I click on the show list and I must resolve the conflict that happened there. When you set up your attack, you want to use the agent service, which will resolve the conflicts for you, and you won't have to do anything. So you can see the outcome there that I have won the battle, and as soon as I resolve that, the other ones could be reinforcements to the planet. Now that I've showed you a successful attack, what we want to do next is exit the planet, and we can verify that it was successful on the Explorer here. I've successfully captured it, so that means that the stake that was put on the planet, the 3.7 xDai, is now mine, and I need to confirm the exit. It usually takes 3 days to exit successfully a planet, but this is the sped up version for the demo. So in 43 minutes I'll be able to claim my tokens that I won. And that's how you pretty much can make money playing Conquest and being more strategic and better than other players about taking over the galaxy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you on the next one.